Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes E Class, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation W212. If you guys have one of those and if you need to find the fuse for the ACSR, this is the automatic child seat recognition, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find that fuse. This fuse is part of the airbag system. So consider guys this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Why? Because if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, airbags can kill you or seriously injure you guys, even by removing or replacing fuses sometimes. For any of you that are qualified and certified, just remember you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before working on airbag systems or checking fuses, and you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, otherwise you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. So we'll put a link to a special video that will explain which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Again, this video is for entertaining purposes only. We will explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything, and we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The ACSR fuse, where you can find it, we'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E Class here. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model, but that's the same generation, so it should work for both. We need to go ahead guys and open the hood. Once you open the hood here, on the driver's side you have a cover here, remove it and you'll find underneath it the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one right here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery, and if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So the ACSR fuse. If you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for your Mercedes or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. For your convenience, please check it out. For the ACR, the fuse that you need to check, first next to every fuse you have a number, so you can easily find the one that you need. But the ACSR fuse, guys, is known as fuse number 21, and we're talking about this fuse here. 21 is printed next to it right there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.